knowledge of manifestation is some sort of devil. And at this point in your journey, on average, you have been watching 800-900 videos about manifestation. And as Neville would tell you, be not a hero only, be a doer, right? That's not exactly the wording, but you should practice manifestation. You should not just listen to words, finding a new strategy, thinking about it, maybe trying a bit. You should apply it, because if you apply almost any strategy, it will work. So today, let me give you 3 exercises that I do almost on a daily basis with myself and with my clients, so that you can start feeling into the sensation of who do you need to be to have what you want. Who's that person? Because life is a mirror, and who you are is being reflected back to you. And you only have this now moment. So let's start off. Exercise number 1, and that is called The Desire is Looking for You. Okay? So I want you to close your eyes. And I want you to settle in to a sensation of peace. And if you don't find yourself in a position to do this right now, save this video for later and subscribe to the channel, right? From that place, you realize that you're not looking for anything. That thing is actually looking for you. Manifestation is not about where is riches, where is love, where is health, but it's you. Am I allowing riches? Am I allowing health to find me? Am I allowing love to find me? Can God, awareness, Allah, source, consciousness, can God see love through me? Can God let love run through me? And please extrapolate this to whatever you want right now. Love, money, health, right? And this exercise is really, and we will go back into it. You don't have to do it live with me, because then I cannot explain it. But you will have to realize that if life is a mirror, external reality is a delayed version of your internal world, then you need to be it. And mind does not need to be it, but you need your awareness. You need to settle into that knowing and sensation of that I'm already that who I need to be. So this exercise, settle into, I have all the money I want if I am a reflection of money. If I tell God, awareness, that I know myself to be abundant. And you're not searching, it's searching for you. That's also the sensation you should have in meditation at most times. Not that you're searching, you're not going out, everything is going in to you. The entire world is collapsing into your sphere. Okay? And when you have sat for a while, am I allowing it? And you will find yourself, yes I am. Then you will start changing the wording to, it's finding me. Now love has access through me. Now money has access through me. Money is finding me every day, all the time. Right? So that's exercise number 1. Sitting in that, allowing yourself to not search, but to let yourself be found. Okay? Exercise number 2, it's called nothing to do. And you close your eyes again, and you say, God knows what I want, and it's already here. And while doing that, you focus your awareness on what you want. You don't have to say it out loud, it's known. God is closer to you than your jugular vein, right? So your desires are known no matter how much you think about them, no matter if you mention them. But go into that. God knows what I want. While thinking of that car you want, or that relationship you want, or whatever. And it's already here. And try to settle into that there's nothing to do about it. God simply cannot help but give it to you. You don't have to do anything but be it. And the sentence I almost always say is the same sentence, just a bit more powerful, but it does not ring true to everyone, but it's God provides my provision. God provides my provision. And see if you can settle into that. And find the realization in your system that whatever you want, you're not the one getting it. You're not the one manifesting it. Awareness is. All that is the one manifesting it. Allah, consciousness. You're not giving it to yourself. You're simply allowing it to be given to you. So the only thing you actually need to want is the want to manifest. But I want this. All right. Then let's go have it. Right. So settle into that sensation of, I'm not the one manifesting this. So on behalf of God, I'm claiming it. All right? That was number 2. God provides my provision. Remember that. And then number 3, it's called, I have made up my mind. And there's multiple ways to do that. But try to see if you can do it again. Same way. Close your eyes. Settle into it. And while thinking of your desires, just claiming, this is what I want. And even more powerful, this is what I have. This is who I am. Right. And in a step more powerful, I have decided that this is what I am. I have decided that this is what I have. And you can play with this. You can also add a date. Today I have decided. And it really emphasizes the power of your choice in your consciousness and what you choose to be in this now moment. 3 small exercises which is supposed to settle you. And not, again, don't listen to this video and go on to the next YouTube video. Let me watch another video. That was wonderful, Chris. Thank you so much. It really changed my life. I love that when you do it, right? I'm only kidding. But don't only do that. Apply this. So save this video, right? Or stick around. Write it down. I don't know, download the transcript, whatever you need to do. But do this. Try to settle. Today and tomorrow, try to settle into these exercises. Find yourself in the sensation of, I am who I am. I'm choosing to be this person that I want to be. I'm imagining myself to be that. I'm deciding to be that. That's really what you need to do. And all other stories, well, I had a bad day, I fell out of the state, my husband triggered me, my wife triggered me. No, none of that. Right? Imagine that only the devil can speak. If you could imagine that, you would know that sensation of knowing is not speech, right? It is settling into that knowing. But when you start talking, the devil is talking. Yeah, but it's not working. Yeah, but you fell out of the state, so now you have to climb back. No, you don't. Immediate reset. God is the most merciful, right? Remember that. So awareness will forgive you the moment you forgive yourself. So if you say, I had a few bad weeks, tell yourself, no, you didn't. I'm back into this state of pure abundance, pure love, and pure health. 9 minutes. Here you go. Go do it. Practice. Have everything you want. See you soon. Get out of here. Bye.